Hello and welcome to the course. I'm so glad you're with us. Hi, I'm Steve Ballinger. I'm the creator and instructor for the course, and we're going to learn all about technical trading and using technical analysis for trading, how to look at things like charts and patterns and how to be successful with that. So you're going to learn all these different types of indicators to help you be a better investor. But the other big goal that we're going to do here is to help you give you the confidence so you can apply this and use this yourself, and particularly use it right away. So we got a lot to cover, so let's do a quick course overview so you can kind of see what's upcoming with your upcoming lessons. So this is a list of the different sections we have in the course. Now each of these sections has many lessons underneath it. So there's a lot of lessons. It's a real complete course. Self-paced, so take it the pace that you want to take it. We start off with an introduction and some things to set you up for success, like paper trading and all that. We do some core concepts around technical analysis, a building block there. Price bars as a foundation and understanding how to read a price bar. Trading gaps, like when prices go way up or way down, how to trade that big opportunity when there's a big gap in prices all of a sudden, maybe based on some unexpected news that might be happening in a stock. Candlesticks, you might have seen these candlesticks price bars where they look like a candle with a wick on the top and on the bottom. So we're going to learn all about how to read those, how to trade those, different patterns they can be. Trend lines, so important. The trend is your friend you'll be hearing about, and how to draw and trade on trend lines. Chart pattern recognition and trading success by looking how charts start to kind of have a pattern and then you can anticipate what's going to come next. So by looking at chart patterns. Moving averages, great for especially newer investors or getting started with because they're really easy to understand and you can tell whether to buy or sell based on what's happening with the moving average in relation to the price, for example. Momentum trading indicators, how fast is something accelerating as far as momentum? There's indicators around that. Volatility, how wide a range of prices up and down is happening, how we can use that to our advantage, and indicators and tools around that. And then also some strategy stuff like how to get better results using multiple trading tools and how to put that together, how to create a trading strategy, really your trading strategy, how to create what works for you, how to manage your trades, the different types of orders that are out there, when is the best time to use different types of orders. And then we have a great section of live trading, and we're going to demonstrate platforms too as well, where you can actually see what we've learned in the course in action, and you'll see me walk right through these different trades with this live trading and kind of hear my thought process behind it too as we reinforce everything that you learned in the course. And we wrap up with top 5 action steps, bonus steps, and some final thoughts as well. So great course, real complete course. So really glad you joined us here. A couple other kind of process things real briefly is sometimes I get excited talking about trading. It's fun. Trading is fun. So if you find I'm talking too fast, under your Udemy controls, you'll see to the left there where it says like 1x. You may change at any time, but right now how that would look, you just click that and you can lower my speed of talking, for example. We have many students from over 200 countries, so I admire everybody who speaks like a second language, and so if English second language for you, I admire that greatly. And if I'm talking a little too fast for you, just slow me down. That's perfectly okay. Look at that deep breath I'm taking, by the way. I must be having something really good to say coming up. Also, let's say your resolution will automatically be streamed at the appropriate resolution so it plays smoothly in terms of streaming from Udemy. Udemy controls all that automatically for you, but you can manually change that too. Everything is actually filmed in 1080p high definition, but you can lower that down if you find the videos at times might be choppy or anything. That's more likely due to your internet connection, maybe something on Udemy's end, but you can always adjust that so you have a nice smooth experience. And lastly, in terms of getting the most out of the course, one thing I find very helpful is to take notes as you go along. It doesn't have to be long, detailed notes, but maybe you hear something that like, you see something like around a moving average, and you say, oh, that seems interesting. I want to maybe look at a favorite stock of mine, and being yours, and you say, okay, I'm going to make a note to look at that. I want to look at the weighted moving average on my favorite stock and see where we're at today. And I want to look at it from 20 days and 50 days. Just a quick little note you might make with that. So that can help you as far as reinforcing your learning, and actually studies show that even the aspect of taking notes helps with better learning and better recall, even if you never look at your notes ever again. So I'm always a big believer in taking notes, but it's up to you too. All right, so let's get started and dive into the course and learn some of these key concepts and key ways to set ourselves up for success by using technical analysis in trading stocks.